There was a busy day round the island of Sodor, and Bertie was driving around the street. Every day, going to the future. This is one of the oldest cars over the world. Okay, let's watch TV. Let's watch the TV. Yeah, me too. Welcome to the Haytinsburg News. My name is Simon. Simon Carr. And this time we had found a lost engine which originally called Henry Glow Illings, who was in Turtle Green Engine, who was left out. He was left outside. He was left up. He left Island of Sodor because of throwing things. Was never get away. But now I can't see him now because he got exploded. Because he moved to another thing. But lovely, another good things. But he never get wet. As I told him. But Henry will never ever see him again. Until in a moment. And as you can see, he's over there somewhere. But Henry will not be coming out from the mission time until next week. After a few months, the gang is trying to look for him, but they didn't find him anywhere. Because from now on, this is the end of Haytinsburg News since 1952. Goodbye! Oh, flippin' hell, sort off! Do you know what? On the TV, Henry's left the island of Sodor. Oh, Henry. I wish he would come back. Henry's missing the missing engine. Henry the missing engine. Okay. Alright, Thomas is on the radio now. Right, I'm on my radio, huh? Right. Thomas, I want to say to you something. Yes, what is it, Bertie? Sorry, Thomas, but unfortunately, we lost Henry because the green engine named Henry has been lost. He left Island of Sodor and moved to another there. So after that, the gangs are coming to find him, and he will arrive in a few months' time. Oh, that was sad. Do you know who did this, Thomas? What? It was Gordon. What? Gordon did it? What the heck? I'll go check it. I will go this way first. I will. Oh God, where is he? Let me see. I can't see him now. Look. Well done. I have lost him. See? Completely lost. Wait a minute, I did see him. God, it's under the red tree. God. Yeah. Noggin. Oh God, damn it. Try again. Gordon. Come over here right now. Oh no. I'm so busted. Come here now. Okay, fine, Thomas the Tank Engine. I am coming. Where is he? On the grass. Oh my God. Not you again. Listen, I know you're active. Do you know what? You lost Henry now. Why? Because you lost Henry. Now he's gone on the red planet. I did see him, and he's always shocked. Wow, he has gone to the hospital for that. Now you can get in jail for doing that. No jail. Then, go. Oh, dang it. God damn it. I'll take you home. Dang it. This is stupid. Seriously, Gordon. From now on, you have to go home everywhere now. Seriously, Thomas. The missing Henry. Right, I got Gordon. What's wrong with him? Do you know what he has done? What? He lost Henry? Noggin! Gordon! That is not true. You do not do that to Henry. Now he's left Island of Sodor because of you. That's it. You're grounded. You're grounded. You can't ground me. Yes, you are grounded. Up the stairs, young man. Fine. God. Right, Bertie, I'm sorry I can't find him. Because he's nowhere to be found yet. Okay. Oh. obviously been gone for like some hours. Fine enough. This is it, Golden. The next day, are you going to behave yourself? Are you going to behave yourself and do not lose him again? I lost Henry now. I know you lost him already. You lost him. Do you know where he's at? What? The Red Plant, which has just left Ireland of Sodor and went to Britain. Dang it me. Dang me. Oh, I think we can't stand here. Yes, we are. No, because you're being silly. Right. What the hell is happening? What the heck? What the? No! Oh, dang it. Obviously, this is suck. Me. Balls. Once an engine attached to a train was afraid if he drops the rain. Now, look, one rainy day, he ran to the tunnel and squeezed for its funnel and never come out again. But now, he went in a freaking Red Plant! No! Oh no! I miss Henry! I hope he will be back soon. I have obviously, yes. Henry, come home soon. What do you want to take him? Henry. Right, you guys be careful on the track, okay? Oh, I'm ready. The scribble is actually the engines over on the island of Sodor. Well, it's fast everybody out to date. On the engines. We're still there early. Don't know. Sorry about that. Bloody hell, I guess. Stay one side, please. You. Track, please. On the track. Good, James. Right, ready? Okay. Right, stay there. Right, stay where you are. James, I said stay where you are. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go! Stop! Yeah! Back over! Towards the train. You get punished for this! Uh-oh! Oh my god! Oh no! Ow! Obviously, guys. I'm gonna crash this window. This is all your fault, Thomas. Drop the F-bomb. It's no. Ah! Okay, join us again for the next adventure on Thomas and Friends. See you again soon. Goodbye. Bye. Bye. Square Wonders, actually. Yeah, obviously.